So who decides if an accused mass murderer faces a judge and jury or is mentally incompetent to do so? Waffle House shooter Travis Reinking is schizophrenic and recently stood trial. But accused mass murderer Michael Cummins' case is still on hold because he is still not deemed fit. News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us the decision falls to a forensic psychologist.
The Middle Tennessee Mental Health Institute here in Donelson is where the accused with mental health issues are sent in hopes of getting them fit to stand trial.
The reason that they're incompetent is due to psychosis. So they have a disorder that causes them to have psychotic symptoms.
Waffle House shooter Travis Reinking is schizophrenic. After his arrest, he was sent to the facility in Donelson and emerged 6 months later deemed fit to stand trial.
Nothing can happen in court constitutionally if you're incompetent to stand trial.
Dr. Kimberly Brown is a forensic scientist at Vanderbilt on the team that handles court-ordered criminal evaluations. They evaluated Reinking and found him to be fit. He went to trial this month and was convicted.
And so most people who are incompetent to stand trial, it's just a temporary state.
Then there is the case of Michael Cummins. It's been nearly 3 years since he was charged with murdering 8 people in Sumner County, but his trial is indefinitely on hold because Cummins remains unfit to stand trial.
Competency to stand trial is about the person's current mental state, their current abilities to understand what's happening in their case.
Dr. Brown cannot say if her team is working the Cummins case. Active cases are confidential. But she says in general, suspects like Cummins are evaluated by experts over time. The big question:
How did you know they weren't faking, they weren't fooling you?
Brown says there are telltale signs like lack of consistency in behavior and drama or overacting the part. To date, News Channel 5, though, has learned that Cummins has simply not improved despite meds and therapy. What happens long-term in such cases?
We cannot hold them indefinitely. The charges do have to be dismissed at some point.
But someone like Cummins, accused of 8 murders, would never just be released. Rather, he would be committed to a secure psychiatric hospital like Middle Tennessee Mental Health until the day he perhaps improves enough to stand trial. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Nick, thank you. If Cummins does ever stand trial, prosecutors have said they do plan to seek the death penalty.